Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number 2-639-7606. This is a privacy accessory kit is what it is. What that means is that this is this would be a repair kit, I would guess, is what it is, for their 2300 series tubular privacy sets. The privacy accessory kit is comprised of the privacy pin that is going to be on the inside, and there is a link below this video to a document called Product Catalog where you can take a look. If you're looking for the privacy kit, you're probably already familiar with the lock that you have, but you'll find the 2300 series there, and you will take note that it is a tubular design. There's a latch bolt that goes into the edge, a spindle that goes through the latch bolt itself. You've got rows and levers on either side. If you have a privacy function, there will be a hole installed in both of the roses. There will be a hole prepared. The privacy pin is going to stick through the inside and thread literally into the latch bolt by that feature there. Okay. When you enter the bathroom, you will then push the privacy pin, and now you have privacy. Until you rotate the lever, it will retract the latch. It will simultaneously eject the privacy pin to the unlocked position, and you are in good shape. This is also going to include this trim that would, I'm going to guess that this goes on the exterior side as a way by which to then use the included Allen wrench to act as an emergency key, is going to be my guess. Let's take a closer look and see if we can verify that. So we've been able to come up with installation instructions on the 2300, and that is indeed where these pieces are used. That's the privacy pin on the inside. This is just your trim that's going to go into the hole in your exterior side, and this Allen wrench is literally to be the privacy emergency tool. The latch bolt, they don't really give us a good look at it on the installation. And no, they do some. Yeah, they do. Page 2, upper right-hand corner, they show where this item is going to be threaded in that little circular area in the bubble, so to speak. That rides in and out. That emergency tool is going to go in there and push that back out. And that's what these are for. Why you might need... This client ordered 12 of these kits. And it's going to a hotel. My guess would be that there is some vandalism, I suppose. These are easily unthreaded. You know, you want to keep people from easily being able to go in, or you want to keep people from, you know, latching the bathroom. Yeah, you can pull that pin, I suppose. But that's vandalism is the bottom line. Perhaps the hotel was painting, removing the hardware and lost some pieces would be my guess. And they may only need, you know, the privacy pin or just the emergency key. The point is when you buy the 2-639-7606, you'll get all three pieces. This material is available in all of the finishes that the locks are available in. 7606, okay? The last four digits, 06. Change that to 01 for polished brass, 03 for oil rub bronze, 04 for satin nickel, 05 for polished chrome, and then again your 06 for satin chrome. That link to the product catalog will show you the other replacement possible pieces that would be available for the unit itself. There's not a lot to go with there. It's a simple decorative hardware sort of line from Hager. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Hager products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Hager? This is their part number 2-639-7606 privacy adapter kit or emergency kit or any other Hager product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.